Hello and welcome. Today, I'll be introducing the Royal Touch Bluu customer application and walking you through a detailed demonstration of how it works. To start the demonstration, I'll generate a customer invoice using a nominal amount for testing purposes. Once the invoice is created, the customer will automatically receive a notification. With the Royal Touch Bluu app, customers can log in anytime to view their full transaction history, including the newly issued invoice. When you search for Royal Touch Bluu Customer on the Google Play Store, you'll see both the customer and merchant applications. The customer app is available on both Android and iOS platforms. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the customer application and its key features. The Royal Touch Bluu Customer app is web-based, meaning there's no need to download anything. It runs directly in your browser. Whether you're using a mobile phone or a computer, the interface will look exactly as you see it here. To get started, simply enter your mobile number to complete the sign-up process. Once registered, you'll be guided to the next step. Upon launching the app, you may see a list of various dry cleaning stores. For this demonstration, we'll be using Bluu Session Cleaner. Once selected, you'll be able to view all past invoices linked to your transactions at that location. On the current screen, you'll notice a sample invoice I created in advance for this demo. Tapping on it reveals the items recorded during the session, a skirt and a pair of slacks, along with a test price set at just 3 cents. The order invoice displays the current status of your order, including initial details like the drop-off time. Once your cleaning is finished and your items are ready, the store updates the status through their POS system. This update is then reflected in the customer app, so when you refresh, the order status will show as ready. Finally, once you pick up your clothes from the store, the order is marked as complete. For this demonstration, I'll complete the pickup process for invoice number 110011. Once the store system marks this invoice as picked up and, for example, records a $20 cash payment, the status will instantly update to completed in the customer app. What you're seeing on this screen is exactly what customers experience on their own devices through the Royal Touch Bluu customer app. Additionally, when an order is marked in progress, customers have the option to prepay the invoice amount directly within the app. Before getting started with the app, the first thing you'll need to do is add a payment card in the My Wallet menu. Adding a card is required to use the online prepayment feature. You can register and manage multiple cards, not just one. Alongside your saved cards, you'll also be able to view your payment history and current balance. Transactions labeled offline cash indicate that the invoice was paid in cash at the store. By selecting the Current Balance section, you can see a list of invoices that are still pending pickup. For example, invoice number 110012, which I've purposely left unpaid for this demo, appears here. if you want to prepay this invoice before picking up your clothes, simply select it and proceed with the payment option. The app will then ask you to confirm the payment before completing the process. Payments can be made using any of the cards registered in the app. Once processed successfully, the transaction will automatically appear in your payment history. In the My Orders menu, your order status will show as ready because the clothes have not yet been picked up. The status will only update to completed once the pickup is confirmed. Now, I'll demonstrate how to process an order pickup. On the pickup screen, you'll notice this order is already marked as online paid. When customers prepay through the app, they can conveniently collect their clothes at the store without any further payment, enabling a faster and smoother experience for both the customer and the store. Since payment is already settled, there's no need to choose a payment method. The system will automatically complete the order. The Royal Touch Bluu customer app lets you monitor your invoice status in real time and easily manage all your orders. Plus, it offers the convenience of prepaying for orders while they're still being prepared. The Royal Touch Bluu customer app can be downloaded from both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, with dedicated versions available for Android and iPhone users. This concludes our demonstration of the customer application. Hello! In this video, we'll explore the pickup service feature of the customer app in detail. This service lets you easily schedule a laundry pickup from your location, so you don't have to visit the dry cleaner in person. Using the app, you can request a pickup and provide details like the number of items to be collected. To access the pickup service in the customer app, open the app and tap the menu button located at the top right corner of the screen, typically shown as 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, simply select Pickup Service. You'll see a list of dry cleaners you've used before. Just select the one you want, and you'll be taken to its detailed page. Once you've selected your preferred dry cleaner, you can schedule a pickup by choosing your desired date. For example, I selected May 26th for my pickup date. Then specify the types and quantities of laundry to be collected, such as 1 dry clean suit, 1 regular laundry item, or 1 pressed garment. You can also add any special instructions or notes for the dry cleaner, like a gate code if needed. Simply write gate code 6865 to ensure smooth access. Once you've filled in all the details, simply tap the Request Pickup button to complete your request. After that, you'll be directed to the Order History page where you can view the pickup details you just scheduled. After you submit your pickup request, the dry cleaner's POS system will receive a notification for the new pickup. The screen displays the details of the newly submitted pickup request, including the types and quantities of laundry. You then decide whether to confirm or reject the request. Selecting Confirm means the pickup will proceed, and the customer will receive an approval notification. If you choose Reject, the request will be canceled, and the customer will be informed that their pickup was declined. For this demonstration, we will confirm the request. Once approved, it moves to the pickup list, and an invoice number 110014 in this case is automatically generated. On the pickup list screen, you'll find the recently approved pickup request, along with its generated invoice number, 110014. The invoice generated at this stage is temporary because, during the pickup request, the customer only provided the types and quantities of laundry without detailed item information. The final invoice will be created once the dry cleaner collects and verifies the actual items. The dry cleaner will update provisional invoice number 110014 by accurately entering the confirmed types and quantities of the collected items. This will finalize the invoice and complete its official issuance. After the dry cleaner approves your request, the pickup status in the app will update from Request Submitted to Approved. The pickup request will now be shown as In Progress in the customer app. You can view the detailed invoice for the items submitted via pickup by referencing invoice number 110014. When the dry cleaner has finished preparing your items, the order status is updated to Ready in the customer app. Then you can choose how you'd like to receive your laundry. There are two convenient options available. The first is delivery. You can request to have your laundry delivered to your preferred location directly through the app. You also have the option to make a prepayment at this time. For step-by-step guidance on requesting delivery and completing payment, please refer to the previous video. The second option is to pick up your laundry in person. Simply visit the dry cleaner during business hours to collect your completed items. After the dry cleaner completes the pickup request, the system automatically updates the status to Completed. The Royal Touch Cloud system efficiently manages the entire pickup process from the customer's initial request in the app to the dry cleaner's final processing. This concludes our demonstration of the convenient pickup service feature in the Royal Touch customer app and the corresponding workflow within the dry cleaner system. Thank you for watching.